how to read the value. So suppose I added Anish. I say I use third way, or even take the first way. Let's say grades. Grades equal to, I say, B plus, A plus, A, C. All these are grades, right? I want to find the first entry in this one. How do I do that? So now that we understand how to create a list, we need to learn how to get the value out of a list. Read the values from the list. I want to read the second value. I want to read third value, fourth value, etc. How do we do that? We have already learned in the strings. And a quick recap again on the string side. If you remember, we wrote the string. Suppose I say Python. Python is a string. The way it is think of it as a circle. The letter P, Y, T, H, O, N. Okay. This is index 0, index 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Total 6 entries starting with index or position number 0. If I do it in the other way around, I will say this is 0. This will become -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. And this concept you already learned in the string. We already learned in the string that a string is a list of characters. So you have already learned about it. And I'm going to show you that similar way, grades is a string. It's a list of a string, like list of letters here. So this one, it will be like same way, right? You will be, this is B positive, this is A positive, this is A, and this is C. There are 4 entries. This is 0, 1, 2, and 3. You go this way. This is when you toggle this way. Let me change the color. You go to this way. This is -1, -2, -3. 0 remains 0. The first entry is always 0 from the left, right? If I want to find out my A plus, if I want to get A plus, all I have to do is say, I have to say grades, and I put this square parenthesis. If you do this in front of the variable, that means you are trying to get a value of a based on the position number or index, you are getting the value. So grades, and if I pass the value here 0, this will return me B plus. If I say grades and then square bracket 1 or -1, what will it return, Meka? If I try to access the individual item in the list using the list name and an index value inside a square bracket, what will this return? Meka? What do you think will this return? Grades, bracket, square bracket -1. Meka, you there?
I'm not sure.
So, yeah, can you go ahead, Anish?
Will it return C?
Absolutely, it will return C, because first thing is when you say -1, that means you are going anti-clockwise. That means you are going this way, and -1 is this. 0 is, this is already 0. So this is -1, -2, -3, -4. Not sorry, no -4, -3. You go this way, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And that's what is easy to do when you quickly create a circle. And you can see clockwise or anti-clockwise rather than a horizontal way. So if I say grades and then square bracket -1, I'm saying from this grade list, give me the item which is at position number -1, which is letter C.